This video will show you how CenDat Solutions' new Quickbooks link can bring you the benefits available in products like InvestTran, but using your existing QuickBooks infrastructure. Here we'll show you how quickly we can produce an ILPA capital call notice directly from a single data entry point within QuickBooks. We'll also show you some of the enhanced reporting capability, both dynamically in Excel and via the web. So here we are in QuickBooks. I've already created a journal entry that will demonstrate the flexibility that we have between QuickBooks and the CenDat application. And the way that this works now is that we'll be using the business and the class fields within the QuickBooks journal entry to actually post the data to the respective portfolio company, and also the allocation methodology that's going to push the data down to the underlying partners within the fund. So we've created a journal, capital contributions for investments, $5 million. We've allocated that to portfolio company 4 and an allocation methodology of all. That means it's going to go to all of the partners. So what we're going to do now is we're going to actually save this journal. So there it is saved, and we're going to move into Excel and the web to show you the benefits of the push down from QuickBooks into the CenDat application. Here we are in Excel, and the benefit of the CenDat application is Excel has a direct interface into the CenDat application where all the data has been pushed down. So for this report, this is the ILPA draw and distribution template. This covers the ILPA requirements. If you do not use ILPA requirements for your calls and distribution templates, and you may have a more simplified version of that, that's very easy to generate in here. So the first thing we need to do is just make sure that it's set to the date of the journal that we just posted, and we can go straight in and look at the underlying template. So here's the underlying template. This is for AIP private markets. So this is an individual LP data that's linked directly into the database, and you can see its commitment, its contributions and distributions to date, and the current notice, which is a contribution investment in Portco 4. So this is the data that we just entered into QuickBooks. You can see it automatically coming through. This is this LP's share of that contribution. And it's very easy in this view. It's very easy to even make a change and look at a different partner. You can pick any partner you'd like to see here, and it will automatically go through and pick up all of the relevant information, including changing the detail behind its share of the portfolio company call for contribution. So back here on the main page, we can then print these to PDF. We're going to just print 2 just to show you them. Okay, so that's now printed those 2. And you can see the 2 files here. And here's the PDF of the data that we just saw. So very easy to quickly get into an underlying PDF format. So it's taken us less than a couple of minutes to enter data into QuickBooks and then print your PDF directly for distribution to the underlying LPs. This is the web version of the fund application. And as you can see, we have the capability of producing all types of reports and dashboards that summarize and present the data to you for the fund activity. So here we have just a basic dashboard with some of the basic KPIs. These get automatically updated as soon as you've entered data, either directly in the application or through the QuickBooks link that we just showed you. I'd like to show you the capital account statement by transaction. And here you should be able to see the data that we just posted. Down here, here's the 5 million that we just posted into QuickBooks. That's been directly updated into the system. And the flexibility of the system is that we can change the point of reference that we're looking at. So if I now want to drill down and look at an underlying partner, I can select the partner. It automatically changes the data for that partner. And you can see all the transactions that have been posted to that partner's account. This is just a small example of some of the benefits of using CenDat's Fund Data Management application. The ease of data access and enhanced reporting capability in Excel and the web provides a flexible platform allowing the production of your fund's reporting needs. including things like capital account statements, ILPA schedules, waterfalls and hurdle calcs, performance metrics, and more. If this sounds interesting, please contact us at ggos@cendatsolutions.com or call us at 805-233-0453.